Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to GTECH TV. Today we are going to learn how to make these kind of avatars. This is a new feature which is available in Facebook app. So let's start making this kind of avatar. So first of all you will open Facebook app in your mobile and then you will click these three lines in the top right, and then you can scroll down and select this see more. After selecting this you will just click the first option which is avatars. So this kind of window will open. Now you need to modify this. For this you will click here in this edit button, and then you will start selecting skin tones. Okay, I'm going to make my resemblance here. Let's see how it looks. Okay, I will select this skin tone. I will select this skin tone. Okay, see, let's see, the next we have a hairstyle. Okay, the suitable hairstyle. Okay, so I will select this hairstyle, and you can select from here. If you have short hairs you can select short, you can select medium, and you can select long hairs from here. So basically the long hair mostly are for girls, so short and medium are for boys. So from short hairs I will select this option, and then I will move down to next option, and I can even select color for my hairs from here, and black or brown or golden brown. I will select this color. This is okay. Okay, so the next option here is face shape. So different face shapes are available. Let's say I will select, it's too much. Let me select this one. I think the default shape is better. Okay, the next option is complexion. Here you can see the difference is you will see a spot here on this face at different kind of locations. Okay, so I will keep it as default and go to the next option, which is lines. It will give some lines on the face. I can select different kinds of options which will have different versions of these lines. Okay, so I will go for the second option. Then there is an eye shape. Okay, some people have big eyes, some people have small eyes. For me I will choose some medium size. I like this one. I like this one. Okay, and also you can choose the color of your eyes. Let's say I will go with this golden, no, this brown, little blackish brown. Okay, and I can also apply some makeup for eyelashes. Okay, no, this is for boys. I think default is better. Now eyebrows, we have different kind of eyebrows. This one is good, this is good. Okay, so you can choose colors from here. For the eyebrows, this is for girls, bindi and eyewear. Okay, I am wearing glasses, so I will go for, yeah, this kind of glasses I am wearing. The next option, okay, you can choose colors also. I'll go with black. Next option is nose. Okay, so I think the default nose is good. Nose ring, no, I don't need. Lips, I will go with this second option, which is the medium size. No need for any colors for boys. Facial hair, okay, so beard. Let's choose a beard. This one. uh, this one. I'm little confused between this and this. I think I will go for this. You can also choose the color for your beard. It's too black. This color is okay. Okay, so now we'll move to our body shape. So as I am not that slim, I'm little fat, so I will go with this option. It's looking funny. This one is okay. Then I will go for outfits. Wow, a lot of good options. Yeah, even shalwar kameez is there, kurta is there, and there is also there is also a lot of good options. Yeah, this one is good, I like it. Sari. Let's see how I look like. Oh my god. What is this? Okay, this one. Okay, okay, I will choose some decent clothes. This is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. Okay, okay. This. I will be choosing this one. I think this is good. Okay. There is headwear also, which I will not select anything. I will go for next option. Earrings. Oh my god. These are the last options. Not required. I think this is done. Now I will select from here done, and it will start making and finalizing my avatar. Okay, now simply I will click next and use your avatars as comments. Share your avatar as a sticker. You can use it anywhere that you can add a comment. Okay, and I will go for next option. I need to select some pose. This one. Okay, this is the one. I will share it to my news feed. Hello everyone. How am I looking? Okay, simply I will post it, and then I can see it on my news feed. Okay, I will see from here. Yeah, so this is the final output. So guys, I hope you like my video. Don't forget to give it a big like, and share it with your friends. If you face any difficulty, you can comment in the comment section below and subscribe my channel for the more kind of fun and stuff like this. I will see you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.